County service. For the following county: Alamance, North Carolina. Flood warning in effect from late tonight to early Thursday morning. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Fall River and Fall River.
Not expecting that.
From late tonight to early Thursday morning. Impacts at 18.0 feet. Minor
River flood
flooding
warning.
Overflow begins on both banks as the water reaches the plant. At 20.0 feet, there is significant overflow on the right bank opposite the water treatment plant. Water also reaches the Red Slate Park upstream of the main St. Bridge. Additional details at 9:45 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 16.9 feet. Bankful stage is 18.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 18.4 feet tomorrow morning.
12 hours.
It will then fall below flood stage early tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All pilots, Station WXL 42, operating on frequency 162.40 megahertz. Below flood stage early tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. The station serves the northwest Piedmont and northern foothills of North Carolina, as well as adjacent Virginia counties. The current time is 10.